Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the char data type. Okay, so let's get started. We use this when we are creating a chars. We are working with chars, which are basically strings, but they are like separated. Okay, so char, which is the data type, the keyword that we're gonna use. Most of the time you use ch to create a variable, which is accepts a char. And instead of double quotes, we're gonna use single quotes to store a char. Okay, so a char would be a single letter or a symbol. Okay, so I can store a single char. For instance, I'm gonna store the letter A, and I'm gonna call console.writeline ch and column, and I'm gonna execute. So this is the output. Okay, as you guys can see, A, but I cannot store a word. For instance, I'm gonna try to store the word ear, and if I do that, I'm gonna see that Visual Studio throws an error showing me that I cannot do that. I can also store numbers like 4. That would work, but if I try to store a large number, I cannot do that. I can only store single characters. Okay, there are also the special characters such as /n. Okay, /n is usually used to create a new line. So if you have to create a new line, as you guys can see the cursor, it has moved down. There is also the /t, which will add a tab to the end of the console, as you guys can see, but I don't think it is visible right now. Okay, so that's it guys. You can store one single character. When you work with arrays, we can store more than one. Okay, so thanks guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.